Did you know that some frogs can change color to blend in with their surroundings? Meet the chameleon, a master of disguise in the jungle. This incredible ability helps them hide from predators and catch their prey. From the majestic jaguar to the tiny tree frog, every animal has a special role in the jungle. Let's dive into their world. Follow for more fun and...
Did you know that the Islamic Golden Age changed the course of world history? From the 8th to the 13th century, the Islamic world experienced an extraordinary flourishing of knowledge, culture, and science. Baghdad became the epicenter of intellectual life, where the House of Wisdom gathered scholars to translate ancient texts and create new discoveries.